Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you the flip through of this album, and it is in the theme of black, white and golden. So the cover of this album is see-through. So you can see the album, the main shaker element from outside. So the first page, that is the front page of the album, I have made a shaker. So you can make it in any letter, and you can make it in the initial letter, the first letter of the name of the person you are gifting to. So now I have done something new in this. I have not used any elements, but I have made layouts. So in the first page, when you open the vellum, you can see the picture. And now in the second page, I have almost left out most of the sheet for photos. The next two pages are coordinating. So I have added 2 tags and 2 quotations, and the stickers can be lifted so that the picture can be inserted easily. In the next page, I have added an embellishment using banners and flower. And you can see wherever there is a black background, I have added white text and vice versa, so that the background and the text are in contrast. And in the last page, I have added a circle and some butterflies in the boundary of the circle, added some text, and yeah, this was my scrapbook, album, whatever you say. The black, white and golden looks so elegant in this, and yeah, I hope you love the video. Like, share, subscribe, and I will meet you soon with a new video. Till then, bye bye.